Spring is my favorite season. The days grow warmer and longer, and life and beauty emerge from the ground as if by magic. As Iowa's flora and fauna spring back to life, and the weeds in my garden, there's more than one reason to celebrate this spring. Soybean farmers set a record by getting the most acres planted by May 3rd since record keeping began in 1974. Take a load off now and join us as we go through the lens with ISA's Joe Murphy as he captures the sights and sounds of an Iowa spring.